What's going on, everyone? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. And today we're going to be installing these sequential turn signals for the MK7.5 GTI over here. And I'm super excited about these. I've always wanted some sort of sequential lights, so starting at the turn signals would be a really great way to start. And you're also replacing some kind of ugly ones. So before we get into today's video, I just want to let you guys know that I got hoodies. Finally, I've been waiting for these for so long, and they have achieved every expectation of what I thought they would be. Super soft, actually super light. So they're just a nice light hoodie. You got the get gas, go fast on the front. So super hyped about that. And then on the back we got Phoenix cars, because you can't beat that. So yeah, I'm really stoked about these. You can find them down below. They're the Teespring link, and this is my store right here. In case you guys haven't seen my store already, so super hyped about those, and also my Facebook is down below as well. And let's get on to today's video. So as you can see here are the sequential turn signals. You may notice there's a wire here, but unless you have an Autobahn trim or higher or whatever, you won't need this wire because anything lower than that doesn't have greeting lights. So, which I don't have, so I'm just going to tape that wire up. We won't need it, and the install is going to be fairly easy. Only thing that we're going to be taking off is the mirror caps, and then we might have to take the glass out, but hopefully we don't have to take it completely out. I've seen people just move around it, so yeah, moving the glass, moving the cap, and then this whole light down here just pops out with a couple of T10 Torx bits. So another cool thing that came with our kit is this pry tool. This is going to be crucial to get the cap off and the mirror off. So anyway, let's get right into the install. So this part should be fairly easy. Just kind of Alright, so mirror cap came off. You just really have to be gentle with it and apply pressure to the two tabs. Just pull up. I found the little screwdriver actually works a lot better than the body tool they gave me, but that's just me. Also, probably removing the actual glass makes it a lot easier. So now we're just gonna move on and take these screws off and then go from there. So like I said, there's going to be two tiny little T10s and then the little wiring harness, and then we should be good to just basically bolt back on after we do that wire. So alright, it's out. So I'm going to wrap up the wire I was talking about, and then it should be good to just slap it in. Okay, so I got it all taped up. It's not the prettiest, but no one's ever going to see it, so I don't really care about it that much. So what I'm going to do first is, they're labeled left and right, so I got a left right here. Yep. Got a left right here. So we'll line them up. Alright, so that was working, which is awesome. And then I got, so that's the difference. You got the stock one right here. And then you have the Sequential. It looks so much better. So I'm gonna jump to actually getting the cap on and everything, and then I'm going to show you the other side, and then I'll share my opinion on it. All right, so now they're all done, and they look really nice because they're dark. They're nice and dark, and they actually fit really well for 45 bucks, which is also awesome. So the old lens right here, clear, garbage, not garbage. So yeah, so everything is, even though they're blacked out, some people will be like, oh, they're sequential, they're not legal. Actually they are, because I still got a blinking one, so we're all good there. But yeah, these actually turned out really good, and as you can probably see, it's dark now because I'm not the fastest worker in the world, but what are you gonna do? I want to take my time because I don't want to break my caps. So those look awesome. So I'm on the phone cam right now. It's the next day, obviously, and I just want to say that if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out a bunch. And as you can obviously tell, I'm still rocking that nice, fresh, new PDX Cars hoodie. That's also down below. Just, you know, an extra reminder in case you forgot by the end of this video. But I just want to say that thank you guys so much for watching. Really means a lot. And let's try to hit our subscriber goal of 50 subscribers. That'll mean the world to me. And I just want to say that I got 2 videos popping up right now for you guys to watch. Definitely go check those out and have a great day.